Hi, today we are going on a journey with you to a unique world that tells the adventure of a little seed. Join and settle where reality meets dreams. Because our story begins in a wonderland where the greatest power is love and friendship. The Little Seed's Grand Adventure. Once upon a time, in a vibrant garden, there lived a tiny seed named Sammy. Sammy was nestled in the rich soil beside the tallest sunflower he had ever seen. Every day, he dreamt of the world beyond the garden and the adventures that awaited him. Sammy would listen with fascination to the stories told by the garden's older plants about the places they had been and the sights they had seen. One sunny morning, Sammy decided that he wanted to experience those stories for himself. It was time to grow into a big, strong plant. With determination, Sammy pushed his tiny roots deeper into the soil, and his little stem began to stretch towards the sun. He soaked up the rain and basked in the sunlight, growing taller with each passing day. Sammy's leaves unfurled, and he marveled at the world around him. As Sammy grew, he made friends with the garden's inhabitants. There was Benny the butterfly, Lucy the ladybug, and Ollie the owl who visited at night. They shared stories and laughter, and Sammy felt grateful for the love and support of his new friends. One night, a fierce storm swept through the garden. The wind howled, and rain poured down like tears from the sky. Sammy clung to the soil, afraid he might be uprooted. But with the help of his friends, they held on to each other, weathering the storm together. After the storm passed, Sammy realized he had grown stronger and more resilient. His stem was taller, and his leaves were greener. He had blossomed into a beautiful flower, his golden petals shining brightly in the sunlight. With his new strength, Sammy realized it was time to fulfill his dream of adventure. He said heartfelt goodbyes to his friends, promising to return with tales of his travels. Sammy's stem grew even taller, and with a gentle gust of wind, he released his seeds into the world. Sammy's seeds scattered far and wide, each carrying the potential for a new adventure. As they landed in different places, they grew into beautiful flowers just like Sammy, bringing joy and beauty to the world. Years passed, and one sunny day, Sammy returned to the garden. He had seen mountains, crossed rivers, and danced in meadows. He shared his incredible adventures with his old friends, who listened in awe. Sammy's return marked the end of one adventure and the beginning of another. He continued to grow in the garden, surrounded by his dear friends. Sammy had learned that the greatest adventure of all was the journey of growth and the joy of sharing it with others. And so, Sammy the seed, now a magnificent sunflower, stood tall in the garden, a testament to the power of dreams, friendship, and the endless cycle of nature. Hey little friend, did you like this story? If you liked it and want the continuation of our entertaining fairy tales, like our video, subscribe to our channel and join our family.